Hello my dear friends, welcome to our Redbugs YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a beautiful flower vase here. So let's see what we want for this. Okay, then I have taken some flowers from Redbugs products and a green color glitter paper piece and a green color A4 paper. And I have taken a small box. You can take, I have cut it up, and a scissor and a small piece, a blue color glitter paper and a glue bottle. So let's see how we can make. First of all, we need to cover this box with this green color A4 paper. First you take the glue bottle and apply like this. Then you can paste like this. Then you have to cut the top part. Keep little space and cut. Here. After finish pasting, you have to cut the A4 paper like this. Okay, then remove all the unwanted parts. Then you will get the vase like this. Then I have taken some flowers, I told you before, like this. Then you have to apply some glue on it. And you can paste it on the little box. You can fix it like this. Then I have taken 2 leaves. You can fix that also. You get like this. Then I have taken a glitter paper, green glitter paper. You can cut long leaves like this. You take a piece, then cut it like this. Then you can apply some glue. Then take the little vase and paste it like this. Now you let the vase like this. I've taken a blue color glitter small piece. You can paste it down. Can cut the remaining piece. Now see, we have made the beautiful vase. I have taken a small flower bouquet like this. You can buy these things from shops, and we are going to put this small flower bouquet to this beautiful vase. See, I'm going to put. This is what we made today. You can make this at home. And it's the end for today. Next time I'm going to bring another handcraft. So you can subscribe our YouTube channel, Redbug, and you can comment and share. Thank you.